The Deputy Prime Minister also addressed members of the Institute of Internal Auditors, Bahamas chapter. It was the closing session of their week of discussions on issues including fraud, ethics, internal controls, and standards. Minister Turnquest told the auditors that the Ministry of Finance plans to give more prominence to its internal audit team to ensure that they're abiding by the appropriate internal protocols. He referenced the Fiscal Responsibility Bill 2018 and invited their feedback and highlighted their role as the first line of defense to detect wrongdoing and corruption.
Internal audits in the Ministry of Finance will not be hidden or buried or sit on a shelf collecting dust. The findings of our internal audit will be acted upon, and the agencies who are the subject of audits will have to respond to audit findings and address any deficiencies. Already, we have one significant example of an internal audit triggering a formal investigation, and another example of an audit that demanded a secondary internal management review.
Regarding the accounting profession, the Minister of Finance announced that his ministry will recruit 30 accountants, 15 of them to be committed to the value-added tax system. Already, 10 junior accountants have been hired at the Treasury Department, and a few senior professionals will be hired to assist. The Deputy Prime Minister said reform at the Treasury is underway in order to adopt the global standard for accounting, and in 2019, another 15 accountants will be hired. Minister Turnquest also discussed the paradigm shift regarding VAT.
Since the introduction of value-added tax by the former administration, the government has outsourced its VAT auditing to an international team of VAT auditors. We fly them in quarterly at great expense and stay for several months at a time to conduct VAT checks on VAT registrants. For the first time, we have implemented a strategic plan for the government to transfer those responsibilities to Bahamian professionals. Over the next few years, we will see a transition to a full team of Bahamian professionals.